how to select the best solar energy system installer. The very first step in finding the best solar energy system installer is seeking someone who is experienced and will steer you through this project while also helping you utilizing all the available state and federal incentives. So you have to pay less out of pocket for your solar energy system. It is vital that your installer be knowledgeable about your specific site and also your eligibility when it comes to all the incentives that are available to you. When looking into installers, it is essential that you ask the right questions. Some possible questions include: how many solar energy systems have you installed in the past? What kind of warranty programs do they offer in terms of installation and equipment? Would the warranty still be viable if the company were to go out of business? Can they provide references from previous customers? Do they have the proper licenses? Will you do the entire projects yourself or hire subcontractors for some portions? How long will the installation take? Which company will they hire to provide the solar energy system equipment? If you as a customer ask these questions, you can feel safe that you have picked an outstanding solar energy system